Hi sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Felicia and it's so good to meet you. So in today's video, I am going to be continuing my fall decorating series. This will be part 4, and we're going to be decorating my entryway table along with the wall that's in front of it. So without further ado, let's get started.
We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah.
I just want to take this time to welcome all our brand new friends that have recently joined the Felicia by the Seasons family. Welcome, 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 and I'm so delighted to have you here. And for the sake of those that have recently become new friends, I just want to let you know that this is a home decorating channel, and I enjoy decorating my home from room to room. I enjoy seasonal decorating, DIYs, and budget-friendly shopping haul. Yes, I believe in getting a great deal. And also from time to time, I will do some product reviews on this channel. So I hope that you enjoy your stay here. I also want to give a shout out to all my loyal subscribers. And I just thank you for your support. And I just thank you for watching each and every video and leaving a warm and kind comment that really motivates me. And so I just want to recap for you all that I do have a goal on this channel for the 2022 season, and that goal is to hit 1K subscribers by December the 31st of 2022. So this is where you come in. I would love for you to share my videos with anybody that loves decorating, that loves the holidays, that just want to see something pretty. Share the video and also tell your family and friends, and that will help me reach that goal. Now I don't know at the time of this video, we probably need about 270 more subscribers to hit that goal. So anything that you can do, get the word out, and this will cause this channel to be seen by more and more people, because there's a lot of people out there that really want these tips and tricks that I'm sharing on this channel, and I want them to have the same opportunity that you all have. So let's try to hit that goal this year, and I appreciate your love and support. Thank you so much. Mwah. This is a quick before look at my entryway, and I have cleaned this area, and these are all the foundational pieces that I am going to be using. This is the ivy garland that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to attach it to the existing garland that I already have. And this is what it looks like. To create this look, I used 2 ivy garlands, and I attached it to the pre-existing garland that you saw at the beginning of the video. And here is the full look. The inspiration for this look came from my backyard. So now I'm just showing you the florals that I have pulled to use on that garland. I have pulled some of this beautiful orange hydrangea with the burnt orange center. It may look like it's cranberry on this video, but it's not. Then I pull these beautiful dark centered sunflowers here, or they could be daisies, not quite sure, with the little burlappy petals. I've also pulled these pieces for some texture, and right here, as you can see, I've got some more of those foxtails that I used in my fall tree. And also over here, I have some of these pale creamy-like leaves, as well as these. I guess these are tannish look. Also, this is a new find alert from my local Walmart store. I pulled this pick here with the green pumpkin and the green berries, as you can see. And we have a white, I forget what this is called, flower here. It's a mum, and these beautiful rich looking golden bronzy looking leaves. And guess what, you guys, I found this at Walmart This is my mum and pumpkin pick for 97 cents. Now, this is the first time that I was able to get these from my local Walmart. So I don't know whether they had them at yours, but I thought it was a great find. This also came in an orange as well, and I do have some of those. So let's start adding our picks, and we're going to start with this one first. However, I am not going to use those foxtails that are in that mix. So here I am adding in my first set of picks, risking my life for the sake of decorating. No, I'm just joking. But I am on a little step ladder, so that's why you see me getting up and down. I hope this step-by-step process inspires you if you want to create a vignette on your wall. It's really simple, and it's just a matter of combining a variety of textures, colors, different sizes and shapes to make your vignette to look more realistic and a little bit closer to the elements of nature. So now I'm just giving you a close-up view of my progress. And you know what? That looks good with just that layer. But you know me, I've got to add some extra. Up next, I am going to use the pumpkin pick that I showed you earlier. And I was motivated to use this particular pick because of the dimension and the texture of the leaves that was on this pick. I felt that those colors would blend in well. So I'm going to continue to layer this vignette and adding different pops of color until I'm completely satisfied. So now, since we finished this topper here, we're going to ease down to the console table here. And as you can see, I've added in my lamps. I've added those back in. And so now we're going to address the top of this console table. So I have added this basket to the top of the console table. And this basket is a little unique because it has a opening at the top and it has legs. So it kind of acts like it's a little footstool, but it wasn't identified when I purchased it from my local Ross store. So we are going to leave the lid open and we're going to decorate that entire basket on the inside. I tried to put it down below, but when I raise the top, it won't allow me to lift it all the way up. So let's get our parts together and we're going to decorate this together. I'm going to take this packaging foam and I'm going to cut it down to size and I'm going to fit it on the inside of this basket. So when I decorate it, I can have my picks popping out of it. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut this down. So here I'm just showing you that I have cut out this foam to fit in this basket container. Okay, the foam that I had, which was from a package, wasn't quite long enough, so I had to cut out these extra pieces for it to fit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and warn you, this foam is messy. As you can see, all these little popcorn looking pieces here, but this is just the mechanics and you're not going to see this after I decorate it. So let's move on to the decorating part. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this garland here that I like to use year round, and most of my garlands, they're coming from Hobby Lobby. So I'm just going to add this in to cover up my mechanics, as you had seen earlier where I had put down the foam. And I'm just going to place it in there and get that all covered up. And this acts as a perfect piece, so when I want to add floral picks, it will attach and I can easily my floral picks as well. So we're gonna make sure that we cover that up. But by the time I add all my picks in here and other florals, you shouldn't be able to see any of this regardless. I'm gonna add this ivy garland on top, which I also purchased from Hobby Lobby. And I have the tag here, and it's reasonably priced. It is 6 feet. It's just simply called Greenery Garland, and it's only $9.99, and you can get it for $5 at 50% off. And this is a staple garland that I also use. So I'm going to place this on top because I have this same garland as you can see up here. So I want all my greenery to match. So this is what it's looking like so far. I had 5, so I just added them in the front. It kind of looked like a floral garden of pumpkins. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to add this wheat looking plant here. It's actually a pick, and I'm going to cut these up and I'm going to add them in. So these are my pumpkins that I'm going to add. I'm going to add a variety of sizes for dimension. So I'm going to go ahead and add those in now. So now I'm just adding these beautiful leaf picks to fill in those missing spots to complete this vignette. To add a touch of glam, I'm adding this festive wreath. So now let's finish decorating the bottom shelf of this console table. To complete this look, I've added a basket. I'm also going to add a fall scarf and 1 decorative pillow. So now I have added this scarf. I thought it was such a beautiful fall color. And guess what, you guys? I purchased this from the Target dollar spot for only $5. Up next, let's take a closer look at everything that's been done today. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Until the next video, happy decorating. Bye, guys.